Your shoes unfilled. Summerfly, have you made a decision about tonight's opportunity?
Yeah, Griff, you know, I was thinking about it. I'm not sure because I just think, you know, it might be a little bit dangerous.
What's wrong, Fly?
You got no stroke?
It's a complete wimp. What's it gonna be, McFly? Are you in or out?
I'm not sure that I should, you know, because I think that I should discuss it with my father.
Your father! Wrong answer, McFly!
Okay, Griff. I'll do it. I'll do it, buddy, whatever you say.
Stay down and shut up. Keep pedaling, you two! Now, let's hear the right answer. Well, since when did you become the physical type?
The answer's no, Griff.
No.
Yeah, what are you, deaf and stupid? I said no.
What's wrong, McFly? Chicken?
What did you call me, Griff?
Chicken! McFly!
Nobody calls me chicken.
All right, Bug! Hey, look!
Hey, stop! Little girl, stop! Look, I need to borrow your hoverboard.
Where is he?
Here. There!
He's on a hoverboard! McFly! Get it, fly! Get him!